Viewers, welcome back. Now, we brought you the exit poll results for Jammu and Kashmir, but here now there is a mounting worry because a suspected IED has been found at Jammu and Kashmir's Gharota. This is just before the counting of votes. Now, it's a big win for the security forces, clearly, as they have averted what could have been a tragedy, and they have neutralized the IED that has been found there. Remember, the security forces have been on high alert through these last few months, and they have ensured that the ballot wins and the bullet loses. Now they need to see this through, and our reporters have been on the ground this entire duration as well. We have filed a report. My colleague Akanksha has tracked this very closely. Let's take a look at how the security forces won a big victory by neutralizing an IED placed there by by terrorists, I beg your pardon.
Well, just 2 days ahead of the counting of votes in Jammu and Kashmir, there's a big crackdown on terror in the Union Territory. Just behind me, you heard a loud thud that was of a IED being detonated, destroyed by the bomb squad. It was found by the Indian Army as well as the bomb squad and the J&K police right here just in the evening. And after that, we saw the teams of QRT, Indian Army, as well as the bomb squad arriving here. And now that bomb has been detonated, that has been destroyed. Now you can see that this entire area has been cordoned off by the police. Let us get a word from what the...
ये आपने एक देखा होगा, ये एक स्टील का वो डब्बा जैसा था, उसके बीच में पड़ी थी ये, तो उसको अभी जो है वो आपके सामने इसको जो है वो डिस्पोज ऑफ किया है। बीडीएस की जो टीम जहाँ पे आई थी, ये हमारी, हाँ, मैं सबके लिए बता दूँ, जॉइंट पेट्रोल हमारी चल रही थी और उसमें हमें ये रोड के जो है साइड पे एक सस्पिशियस ऑब्जेक्ट मिली। जब हमने किया तो उसके बाद हमने जो हमारी बीडीएस टीम है उसको हमने साउंड किया, वो मौके पे आए और उन्होंने इसको डिस्पोज किया।
रिंग रोड को डैमेज करने की मोटिव से हो सकता है ये?
हाँ, अभी आपके सामने जो है इसमें इनिशियल इन्वेस्टिगेशन पे ये है, तो अगर कोई फर्दर कोई चीज सामने आई तो हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे।
So as you heard, the police here is in fact saying that the motive behind this is yet to be found. Let us now, you can see that this entire area has been cordoned off by the police. Let's again get in a word from the police. Sir, ये कब मिली थी आईडी, अगर आप कुछ बता सके?
थैंक यू, हो गया, मैंने शेयर कर दिया।
So as you heard, the police just a while back said that the investigation is underway and that the motive behind why in fact the ID was kept here